3 BHK flat for sale in Vajra, Jasmine County, Gachibowli, Financial District. 3 BHK. Southwest corner plot, 3 BHK, 3 attached washrooms with 3 balconies. This is a hall area, a balcony, kitchen area, utility area, kitchen utility area. Total accept is 2085 square feet. Total 14 floor. It's a middle 9th floor. Very spacious flat. Best view, city view. 3 balconies, puja room, 2 car parkings. Best price quoted to owner. If anyone want,